And crews, of course, still working to clean everything up here.
Power has been restored to many of the homes impacted near Bernard Street on Spokane's South Hill. So let's check in with Brandon T. Jones now. Brandon, where are you and how's the cleanup efforts going right now?
Yeah, good morning, Tim, Nicole. We talk about those cleanup efforts. Take a look at this right here. I imagine the people who live on Bernard much more happy this morning compared to what they experienced yesterday. Nicole, you got a chance to be right here in this exact same area. Of course, this huge tree right here was blocking Bernard. There was another one further up the street as well, blocking the road. Both of those have been completely, at least chopped up, the majority of it at least, and they're able to have reopened that road. We also got some video from those moments yesterday. Nicole, you got a chance to walk around and speak with some of the neighbors. The power is also restored here in this area right now, which is something that's good. We checked the Avista power outage maps this morning. Only 5 homes still remain without power, but we did see crews already working out here this morning. So hopefully that's a good sign. They anticipate those 5 homes should have their power back up and running by the latest 10 p.m. tonight. Again, spoke with some neighbors here in the area. Go ahead and take a listen.
They're pretty fast. I'd say be gone in 2 days maybe, or even less than that, depending on how many trees fell in the area. Yeah. But I don't know, but they're pretty quick.
Yeah, so that's the correct assessment. Certainly nothing new here on the South Hill when we see those windstorms. This area, especially near Manitou Park, a lot of trees start to come down with those strong winds, but those crews have been quick. Again, Bernard back open and a majority of this community here with their power this morning. For now, live here in Spokane, Brandon T. Jones, KREM 2 News.